Hello, and welcome to the Solution Connection tutorial on products and services. First, log into Solution Connection and click the search button. The query screen is made up of three different sections. The top section has Search Box, which is for free-form text search. This is covered in a different tutorial. You have the Product section and Categories. Categories are also covered in a separate tutorial. Each of the products are organized together in groups. So for example, you see QuickBooks Desktop on the left. Each product is listed Pro, Premier, Accountant, also known as Premier Accountant, along with the different editions of Enterprise and Enterprise Accountant. The top group is the most current version, which is 2018. Below this, you'll see the group of products for 2017. Once 2019 comes out, you'll see a group of 2019 products. This allows the comparison of features and functions across the different years. Same thing for POS Desktop. Current version is version 18, or 2018. Prior version is version 12, or 2015. You'll see the other products, quote unquote, listed as well, like QuickBooks Payments, QuickBooks Payroll, Field Services, and Online. These do not have years per se, and so the most current one is listed. You can select all products for a particular group. So for example, if we click the button next to Desktop, you can see that all products are selected. We can deselect individual ones, or if we click the button next to Desktop, it deselects all. We can do this for any of the product groups. Also, if we click next to the word products in the top left, it will minimize the list of products. We click products again, and it expands. Thank you for listening.